Hey there, welcome back to Product Critique, your go-to channel for in-depth product reviews and recommendations. Today, we've got something special for all you airbrush enthusiasts out there. We're diving into the world of air compressors with the Master Airbrush Cool Runner 2. If you're looking for the best quiet airbrush compressor on the market, you're in the right place. In this video, we'll take a closer look at the Master Airbrush Cool Runner 2, explore its features, and discuss why it might be the perfect addition to your airbrushing toolkit. Let's jump right in. The Cool Runner 2 arrives well packaged and ready to use out of the box. You'll find the compressor, a hose, and various components that are neatly organized. Now, let's delve into the key features that set the Master Airbrush Cool Runner 2 apart from the competition. One of the standout features of this compressor is its whisper-quiet operation. At only 47 decibels, you can work comfortably without disturbing anyone around you. The Cool Runner 2 is equipped with not one, but two cooling fans. These fans help maintain the compressor's temperature during extended use, allowing for longer continuous operation without overheating. This compressor boasts a large 3-liter air storage tank. This means you'll have a constant and consistent air pressure supply, crucial for achieving smooth and even airbrushing results. It features a true diaphragm pressure regulator with a gauge and a water trap filter. This ensures precise air adjustment control and delivers clean, dry air to your airbrush for flawless results. The Cool Runner 2 comes with an air-on-demand system that automatically shuts off the air when not in use, conserving energy and extending the compressor's lifespan. Now, let's talk about the real-world performance and user experience of the Master Airbrush Cool Runner 2. This compressor offers a consistent and reliable airflow with a high air volume of 0.8 CFM and an airflow of 25 liters per minute. Users have reported smooth and precise airbrushing experiences. Speaking of user experiences, let's take a look at what some customers have to say about this compressor. One user mentioned, "What a great little compressor. It's well built, solid, and easy to use. The airflow is consistent, and the tank is a nice addition when not using my hub." Another user had a minor issue, saying, "The only thing that perplexed me was the pipe thread fittings. I thought it would be NPT, but to my surprise, it's not." With its quiet operation, dual cooling fans, air storage tank, and precise pressure control, the Cool Runner 2 offers a lot of value for its price. While some users encountered minor fitting issues, the majority have praised its performance and reliability. If you're an airbrush enthusiast or professional looking for an affordable and dependable compressor, the Master Airbrush Cool Runner 2 is definitely worth considering. That wraps up our review of the Master Airbrush Cool Runner 2, the best quiet airbrush compressor available in the market. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to Product Critique for more insightful reviews, and share this video with your fellow airbrush enthusiasts. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.